Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log out of Quillbot account. In order to log out of your Quillbot account, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and open up any web browser of your choice. After you open up your web browser on the web address bar, quillbot.com. First of all, you need to log into your account in order to sign out. So for that, you'll be taken to the official page. Click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. Now select the method of logging in and enter in your credential. Log in into your account by tapping on the login button. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on the home page, in the upper right hand side corner, click on your profile icon, and as soon as you click on it, a drop down menu appears. From the list, click on Logout in order to log out of your Quillbot account. So you'll have to wait for some time. Just close this tab, and now you've logged out. So just let me show you how you can actually log out. So as you can see that I need to log in once again, which indicates that I've already logged in, which indicates that I've already logged out. In this way you can log out of your Quillbot account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.